Hello there, my name is Isabel from Isabel Explains, and welcome to my class on financial literacy for teens.
What intonation?
In this course, I will do my best to prepare you for the world of money.
How do I get 12-year-old girls excited? No!
And why is it important that you learn about money? Because you will be using money your entire life. And unfortunately, most adults, myself included, struggle with making wise financial decisions because we were never taught how to use money wisely.
That sucks.
And that's why I'm making this course, so you can learn from my mistakes and set yourself up for success. So I hope you enjoy this course, I hope you learn a lot, and ultimately you feel ready to enter adulthood with a good grasp on what to expect, what is available out there for you, and how you can maximize every hard-earned dollar that you make.
I can show you the world.
All right, so let's get started. We all know that we use money to buy pretty much anything, but where does that money come from?
Wow, that's a great question.
Well, in the US, the government basically prints out money and that money is given to banks in exchange for assets from those banks. So basically, the money is created by the government.
God bless America.
So how much money is out there though? Well, as of May of 2021, there were approximately $19.9 trillion in existence, both in physical and digital money.
It's a lot of money.
However, there are other forms of money which are in the form of assets, like houses, stocks, bonds, notes, and all that stuff that we're gonna talk about later. So the good news is that even though there is technically a limited amount of money in the world, it can be exchanged infinitely. And it can be transformed into assets that will increase in value over time and generate more money.
I hear you.
So that is the big picture of money, and the goal is to make as much as we can so we can do great things in life, help others achieve great things, and why not? Have great things too.
I'm the king of the world!
So let's start with lesson 1, banking basics. I'll see you there.